Your both hand shoulder level. Your left knee down, right knee down. थोड़ा सा आगे. Yes, sir. More forward. Your hip is down on his please. Long inhale. Exhale. According to your body, please. Supta Vajrasana. Hip is down. आपके पास दो ऑप्शन है मैम. Now you drop your elbow. Please, first you have to make a gap for your hip and legs. Wide your feet and drop your elbow, legs, and smoothly you have to down. Interlock both hands. Just try to close your knee. Interlock both hands over the head like this. Okay. Varsaji, and you can put your foot here and like this, please, and make it like okay. Yes, but make it in your back. 1, 2, make a gap. 3, 4, yes. 5, make it 6, and here 7, 8, go. 9, 10, up. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Long inhale and exhale. Leg straight, please. Cow face, Go Mukhasana. First, you have to fold your both legs. With the left hand, catch your right ankle and your right leg and your left thighs like this. And with the left foot, cross your right knee like this. Completely cross and just have to make a line with your knee. Madam, drop कीजिए like that. And now, yes, very good, ma'am. Your right hand up, left hand back, interlock both hands like this. Gomukhasana. 1, 2, spine should be straight. 3, 4, 5. Relax, please. Switch करेंगे. Yes. 1, 2. कहाँ है हाथ में? 3. Yes. 4, 5. पकड़िए. 6, madam. 7, 8. Very good, sir. Relax, please. Long inhale and exhale. Now, Karna Dhanurasana. With the right hand, catch your right big toe, yeah, catch your feet, okay? With the right hand, same foot, same hand, and your right foot close towards the ear, like this. And with the left hand, catch your left big toe, and your gaze on your left toe, like this. आपकी दृष्टि आपके लेफ्ट अंगूठे के ऊपर पाँव के. 1, catch, madam. 2, yes. 3, 4, 5, more. 6, 7, madam. Relax, please. Switch करेंगे. कीजिए मैडम. More, yes. Catch your left foot and catch. 1. Harsha ma'am, you try to reach. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax, please. Your both hand here, leg straight, please. Inhale, both hand up. Exhale down, path. Now, Paschimottanasana, please. Down, forward, close your body completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you both hand back and stretch your feet forward like this. Complete body up. 1, 2, more up, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax, please. Long inhale. Exhale now with your left foot cross like this. And lock your foot here. Interlock your elbow. And your feet up like this. Boat pose. Like this. Boat pose. 1, 2. Engage the coordination. 3. Look at toe. 4, 5, 6, 7. What's the 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Long inhale. Exhale. Relax, please. Now fold your leg. Your feet as well as close towards the pelvic region. Okay. ऐसे बैठिए. And now here your heel should be up. Heel up. And hip region up. Heel and hip region up like this. Your hand forward. Very good. Now your right leg up. And touch your head with the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4. हैंड वॉक करेंगे तब लेग ऊपर जाएगा. 4, 5. ऐसे कर सकते हैं ना. 6, 7. रिलैक्स प्लीज. स्विच योर लेग. 1 उठाइए. 2, 3. यही है ना. 4. वेरी गुड. 5, 6. मोर अप सर. 7, 8, 9. रिलैक्स प्लीज. लॉन्ग इनहेल. Exhale. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Now, your left leg fold back. Right leg, sorry. Right leg fold back. You can face this side, no problem. Yes. Like on a mat. You can come on a mat only. Long inhale. Exhale with the left hand. Catch your right knee. Yes. Little bit more wide. And right hand up over the head. Catch your feet like this. Maximum. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Long inhale. Exhale. Look at me here. Your right hand back. Look at me first carefully. Now your open, stand over hip region and look back like this. Yes. 1. क्या कर रहे हैं आप? 2. गलत. हाँ. 3 चलेगा. 4, 5. Very good all of you. 6, 7, 8. More push your hip region forward. Aanchal ji. 5, 6, 7, 8. Close. Now inhale, both hand up. Stay here. Exhale, drop your body between the pelvic region. Flat. Yes. More forward. Between your pelvic region. 3, 4, 5, 6. More. 7, 8. Up. Long inhale. Exhale now. Open your leg and shake your leg, please. Switch your leg. Yes. Your left leg fold. Long inhale. Exhale with the right hand. Catch your left knee, other hand up over the head and catch your feet. Maximum stretch. Yes. 1. Keep it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Very good. Long inhale. Exhale. Inhale, both hand up and drop your body between the pelvic region. Sorry. Your left hand back. Okay. And right hand up. Hip region up, please. Up. मैम हाथ गलत है आपका, हाथ बदल लीजिए। 2, हाथ बदल लीजिए। हाँ 3 4 वर्षा जी 5 6, रॉन्ग हैंड किया आपने। 7, हाथ बदलिए। 8, ये हाथ करना है। 9, प्रेजेंट थोड़ा और ऊपर करना है मैडम। 10, रिलैक्स प्लीज, उधर रखिए। लास्ट वन इज देयर, आखिरी बच्चा है हमारा। इनहेल बोथ हैंड अप, एक्सेल डाउन फॉरवर्ड प्लीज। 1 2, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू। 3, जितना धीरे कर सकते हैं। 4 5, चेक कीजिए लेग। 7 8, थोड़ा बॉडी इधर रखिए हो तो पूरा जा सकते हैं आप। यस, अप, वेरी गुड। लेग फॉरवर्ड, लॉन्ग इनहेल, exhale. Now with the both hand catch your right foot, long inhale, exhale, stretch like this, stretch and touch your head. If you are comfortable here, you can put here like this. Maximum stretch. 1 to keep straight. खुशबू जी थोड़ा बैंड हो रहा है। 4 5 6, कर सकते हैं। 7, बट कीप स्ट्रेट। 8 9, सीधा रखिए। 10, हो गया, वेरी गुड। स्विच कीजिए प्लीज। more stretch please, very good। 1 2 3, सीधा रखिए। 4 5 6 7 8, हाँ अच्छा है। 9 10, रिलैक्स प्लीज। लॉन्ग इनहेल, एक्सेल, shake leg, your leg, take long inhale and exhale, as well as relax your body and your breath here. Now fish pose we are doing. Sit in Padmasana. You can sit without Padmasana also, okay? But if you can do the Padmasana, this is very good. Sir, come forward please. Come forward, yes. Now drop your elbow like this, okay? And make your arch in spine. Just have to catch your both with the both hand. 1, simply लेट चाहिए ना मैम। 2, लेग स्ट्रेट डाउन रखिए, डाउन फोल्ड एंड डाउन। 2 3, फिश पोज। 4, मेक योर आर्च इन स्पाइन। 5 6 7, मेक योर आर्च इन स्पाइन। 8, टेक सपोर्ट विद द एल्बो। 9 10, yes, relax please। Long inhale, exhale, lie down please। Lie down back, lie down back please। Long inhale, open your leg। Long inhale, exhale. Now your right leg up, catch your ankle even and touch your head with your knee। Yes, more close, other leg should be straight। मैम more close, अगर आप इसको शोल्डर के पीछे लेके जा सकते हैं, वेरी गुड। 1 2, but straight। 3 4, more close। 5 6, खुशबू जी। 7 more। 8 sir। 9 go। 10, रिलैक्स प्लीज। स्विच करेंगे। मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेच प्लीज। 1 गो। 2 3, कितना जा सकते हैं आप। 4 5 6 7, मैम सीधा रखिए। 8 9, मैम सीधा रखिए। रिलैक्स प्लीज। लॉन्ग इनहेल, एक्सेल। नाउ फोल्ड योर लेग एंड make a mat level distance between your feet। Yes, more wide, and your hand under your head। Yes, now मरकट आसना, ड्रॉप योर फीट टुवर्ड्स राइट साइड। मैम गैप कीजिए पाँव में, जितना मैट लेवल है और वाइड कीजिए। यस, डाउन। इनहेल आप, ड्रॉप योर एल्बो डाउन। हाँ, इनहेल आप, नीचे रखिए। इनहेल आप, एल्बो नीचे रखिए मैडम। अप, हिप रीजन अप डाउन, थोड़ा गैप कीजिए मैडम, डाउन, इनहेल अप डाउन एंड होल्ड प्लीज, लुक अदर साइड, 1 2 मैडम, 3 4 5 6 up, inhale, exhale, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 up, long inhale, exhale, with the both hand you have to catch your ankle, listen, yes, setu bandhasana, bridge pose, inhale, push your pelvic region up, high up, make a arch in spine, exhale down, inhale up, together, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up and hold, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, relax please, pawan muktasana, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, relax please, switch your legs, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, both legs please, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, relax please, savasana here, just relax your body, relax your mind here please, long inhale, exhale, just relax please, relax your body here, relax your breath, take a long inhale and exhale, you feel energized each and every part of your body. Thank you for joining us.